So you're entering into a business arena, guys. Business na tayo ngayon. Iwanan nyo na yung employee mindset. Iwanan nyo na yung, ano ba tawag dito, comfort zone. Na kung kailan ka lang komportable, kailan mo lang gagawin. Kasi sa business na ito, guys, kailangan mo rin ng consistency whether you feel like doing it or not. Kasi kinakailangan mong gawin, kinakailangan mong magkaresulta bukas or sa susunod na panahon, kailangan mong makita ka ng mga team mo as a leader. You walk the talk. You cannot be a leader of a team na hindi naman nila kayang sundin because you don't even do what you said you will do. Iba na ngayon ang mentality kasi nasa business ka na. So if you are someone na iniisip mo, I need to change my life. I need to have quality time with my children someday. I wanted to be able to travel someday. Na hindi na ako kailangang magpaalam sa boss ko. Kailangan kong pagtrabahuhan ang kinabukasan. So then I don't have to be working all my life until retirement. Ibahin mong mindset mo, ibahin mo ang goal mo.